Morning, dear students. Today we are going to start new chapter number 12, that is Turkish invasions in North India. Turkish people who used to live in Turkey, and invasion means attacks. Okay, so we will discuss about the Turkish invasion in North India. The frequent wars among the Rajputs. We have discussed in previous chapter about the Rajputs. Among them there were frequent wars. It resulted in political disunity in North India, means there were no strong authority and frequently they engage in war with each other. So this point attracted the Turks. This attracted invasion by the Turks. And some rulers appointed the Turks as guards and professional soldiers. In this way, they slowly came to India and became the governor of some provinces. The Turkish people came to India at the time of Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire, which we will study in the next chapters. And they used to came to India at the time of Mughal Empire and Delhi Sultanate. And the Turks first lived in central India around 2000 BC. And later, some of them or some of the Turkish people left Central Asia and spread around. Means they spread in other parts of India. And some of them came and attacked or invade India. And among Turkish people, Muhammad Ghazni or Mahmud Ghazni was the first Turkish conqueror of North India. And this Mahmud Ghazni started a new chain of rulers or new lineage of rulers, which was known as Ghaznavis. Means after Mahmud Ghazni, the rulers came to the throne, they were known as Ghaznavis. And the credit of establishing Muslim empire in India also goes to Turks or Turkish people. But according to some historians, the Turks came to India for its wealth, for its money. They attracted with the money of India and they used to come here. But some historians says they want to spread Islam religion. So views are different. And mainly the Turkish rulers came to India was Mahmud Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori. About them we will study in next lecture.